Hello and welcome to our new video. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to install Fortnite using the Epic Games Launcher. Let's get started. Open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. In the search bar located in the top right corner of the launcher, type Fortnite and press enter. Once the search results appear, click on the Fortnite base game. On the game page, you'll see a yellow button in the side panel labeled Install. Click on this button to begin the installation process. After clicking the Install button, navigate to the Library tab located at the top of the Epic Games Launcher window. In your library, find Fortnite and select it. Choose the folder where you want Fortnite to be installed. You can do this by clicking on the Select Folder option and choosing the desired location. Make sure to check the box for Auto Update and Create Shortcut if you want these options enabled. Once you've selected the installation folder and adjusted any preferences, click on the Install button to begin the installation process. You may be prompted to accept the user agreement before the installation starts. If so, read through the agreement and click on the appropriate button to accept. The game will now start installing. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection speed and computer performance. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Fortnite from the Epic Games Launcher and start playing. The link to Epic Games Launcher is in the description. Thanks for watching.